Okay, so I'm Maxime, and I present you the final project because you are here for that. So I'm Maxime. I'm a former doctor in chemistry. Now I want to be a super happy full stack developer, thanks to Ironhack. And so I try to find a problem that I can solve myself by building an app. So this problem is I live in various cities during my career, and I visit city. And so when my friends go to London, for example, they will ask me, oh, give me your best plan. What is the best plan? And the contrary, if I'm going in Porto for New Year, I want the best plan of people. And so they send me a mail, something like this, that is boring, like this cat shows that. Oh, boring. You have this map, you have to take the map, write the things, look on the Google map. So no, it's kind of boring. So I decided to make an awesome app. So the solution is MAXIME. MAXIME, it will be a nice map. This map will have an easy tag system with super little pictures that make this guy here in the front row. And then it will be easy to share. So I use, like most of people here, Rails and Postgres basic databases. This is the gem I use for security and for logging. I use geocoder, like Felipe. And I use for the front end some jQuery, Bootstrap, and too much jQuery in my test because it needs a lot of interactivity. And this is different software I use, and I deploy it on Heroku. And of course, I use Git like a good developer should do. So I think it's time for demo time for MAXIME. So this is a spoiler. Okay, so here is the welcome pages. Welcome. So first, you have to log in normally. Let's try to log in. Few seconds. Okay. This is because we are hosted by Heroku. That is a free. They host us for free. So sometimes can be slightly longer to start the server, and then after it's go again. So okay, this one is the ugly one. So when you sign in, oh, beautiful one model. You can sign in, register. So let's sign in because I already have an account. I'm the only user. So they now invite you to do to access to your map. And here you have an interface, the most clear possible, where you can see all the map you already created. You can also create a map. For example, let's say Paris, because I like Paris. So up, and up you create a new map. And then I come back to more nice map. So for example, we are in Barcelona, so let's look at the map of Barcelona. So you have this map. You have plenty of options. So you can recenter the map if you mess it. You can rename the map. Like, oh no, Barcelona is quite boring, so let's make Barcelona Max. So good. I have a new name. I can copy it if I want to do a duplicate but keep it the original, and I could delete it if I don't want it. So I come back. So it's Barcelona Max now. So I can also add some place. So let's add a place. Let's say Ironhack, because it's very cool. This is by Google. Helped me a lot to do this. And so, oh, it's here. And I have a new pin appearing in my map. But it's not a place to sleep, Ironhack. We want to work. And in fact, we love this place. So let's put a heart. So we have a heart. And what can we say? Best place to learn. Because you can make a personalized command, of course. So it's best place to learn. If finally you say no, I don't like Ironhack anymore, hop, you delete it. And then, of course, the main feature is to share this beautiful information you create very quickly with someone. So whatever, you put your name, you put something. Let's do an error. Oh, I forget to do it. It tells you that it's an error, so you should put all the fields. Like, so let's put to myself and to myself again. Hop, I can tune the message and I send it. Wonderful. If I go to my mail, I reload one time, and there is, here's my mail. So wonderful. I'm so happy. But I see that another user sent me a mail. It's Juan. Juan is a famous cantante from Barcelona. He's the best friend from Felipe. You can ask him why after. And let's see what Juan sent me. Oh, the math don't exist. Okay. So Juan is bad. He don't know how to use my app. So let's go back to the map and see the map I just sent to myself. So here. You can see that the URL is different. It's a public random key to secure a little my app, because I don't want people to know the ID of your map, the access. It's a little security. It says who invented. You have the place that you cannot edit, because this is a public view. So you can just enjoy the place, say, wow, what is this? Oh, it's Barcelona and Sagrada Familia. Wow. But if you want to keep it for you, you can save the map. So you have to be logging, or you have to be registered on the website. Here you have I'm already logging, so I just have to save it. And now it becomes my map, so I can do whatever I want. I can modify it, rename everything, delete place. This is the main feature for the moment. I try to boot it responsive, so this page is nicely responsive. To be honest, this is a little more hard to see, but it's still accessible from the mobile. I have to improve this, but so you see all my map for the moment. Oh, I did not expect new things. I'm soon here. It's more difficult to PowerPoint than to do a map. Okay, so let's do this. So expansion from this website will be to the user give some rating system, and then I keep all the data of all my users, and then I will have an average system or whatever, something more social. Also, what I would like is a group travel planning. So we're going for New Year in Porto. I would like that the participants can connect together to put points on the map. And finally, perhaps if I want to monetize it one day, to do some suggestion, guide from sponsoring. And that's it.